Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this quick Hessian pumpkin. You will need some Hessian ribbon, a pair of scissors, the glue gun with the glue sticks, some twigs or sticks, and twine or string. We're going to start off by taking the end of the Hessian ribbon and we're going to wrap it around 3 fingers roughly 6 times. You can do more or less than that if you want to, particularly if you want to really fill out your pumpkin. I would wrap it around a few more times. Once you've wrapped it around approximately 6 times, we're going to snip it away from the rest of the Hessian. And we're going to get a small amount of our twine. I do roughly around 10 or 15 centimetres. And we're going to slide this through the centre of the wrapped pieces. We're then going to tie a very tight double knot. If you have any excess pieces sticking out, you can always trim these away. This is just one segment of our pumpkin. I'm going to do the same technique 2 more times to get another 2 segments to form one whole pumpkin. Once you've made your segments, we're going to take another 15 centimetre bit of twine, or you can even use the leftover threads from the Hessian that might have started to come off of the Hessian ribbon. It's a great way to recycle those pieces. So you can either use the twine or the leftover Hessian pieces and slide it through the centre of all the wrapped pieces. As you can see, I'm threading it through all 3 of the wrapped pieces. And then we're going to tie a really tight double knot. Again, if you have any excess pieces, you can trim them away to neaten it up. Once you've done that, we're going to open up all of the wrapped pieces to form our pumpkin shape. To make the stem, I take a small twig and I pop a small amount of hot glue on one end, and then I pop the twig through the top of the pumpkin to secure for a stem. You could also use cinnamon sticks. And there you have your complete Hessian pumpkin. As an extra, I have leftover threads that came off of the Hessian ribbon itself, and instead of throwing this away, I like to recycle it. So I like to wrap this around my fingers a few times, and then it makes this lovely wrapped up hoop. Again, using an excess piece of the Hessian thread, I slide it through the wrap pieces and I tighten it with a double knot. So I like to use this to make string leaves or string vines for the pumpkin. You can then use a hot glue gun to glue these wrapped up pieces just in between the pumpkin and the stem. This is just added detail. You don't have to add this if you don't want to, but I like to try and use up as much material as possible. If you like this, like and subscribe to my channel to see more quick fibre craft content. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.